How are you folks? Right now I'm going to explain to you how Kangacoach works. So, sometimes you're sad. You're not sure of something. You're in need of advice. Maybe you'd like to learn something new, but you don't know where to start. Well, have I got a tip for you? Take a look at Kangacoach. Here, you'll find coaches for every topic. Extra tuition, languages, job-related stuff, your life, your hobby. Here you'll find an excellent coach no matter what you need. Just select one that suits you, book in an hour session, and Bob's your uncle. And it won't cost a bomb. Your coach will help you for a good 55 minutes. They'll answer your questions, give you personal advice, explain things to you and train you into something new. After the hour, you're sure to have come on leaps and bounds. It's a great feeling learning something new and putting your new skills to use. So, best of luck with Kangacoach. You'll have a blast. And sure, I'll chat to you soon on Kangacoach.